Invisible mistakes are dangerous, but they're quite simple and easy to fix once you know about them. Here's one that most Chinese don't know about. It's how they use the very simple phrase, I know. Well, there's many ways of saying I know in Chinese. 我懂, 我明白, 我了解, 我晓得, 我知道. They're probably missing one or two. In English, we can say I know, I see, I get it, I understand. All of these are fine except for I know. And I know is different. Why? Well, because it has a sense of I already know. 我已经知道. And therefore, there's a right time to use it and a wrong time to use it. Well, let me explain using a couple of simple examples. Here's Mary and Peter. Mary is worried that Peter doesn't know which bus to take in the morning. So she goes, Peter, do you know which bus to take? Well, Peter does know which bus to take, so he answers, I know. Perfect. He is telling Mary, yes, I already know which bus to take. Better would be to answer, yes, I know, thank you, but I deal with the issue of yes, no, and please and thank you in a different part of the course. Okay, let's change the example. Now Peter doesn't know which bus to take. So now he asks Mary, Mary, which bus should I take? Mary answers 278. If Peter now replies, I know, I guarantee Mary's face is going to go, and that in her mind she's going to go, what? Huh? How? If he already knew it was 278, why did he ask me the question? This happens any time that you ask someone a question, they answer the question, and you reply, I know. If you would have said, oh, now I know, thank you, perfect, no problem at all. But if you just say, I know, it means 我已经知道. This can also happen when someone's explaining something to you. Often happened to me when I was a management consultant. So let's say, for example, I'm explaining to a Chinese that the way they are doing something, their work procedure is wrong. And so I explain, and at the end, they look at me and go, I know. Well, if I had hair, I'd be pulling it. In my mind, I'm going, what the hell did you let me waste my time explaining something that you already knew? Well, I know that the Chinese are probably not saying, I already know. They're probably trying to say, oh, now I know. But most Westerners won't understand this. Most Westerners won't realize this. And most Westerners includes university professors. Look, university professors are human. They will try and help you, but you have to try and help them too. If you ask a question and they give you the answer and you reply, I know, well, the professor's face might not show anything, but inside, he or she is going, huh? What? If they already knew, why did they ask the question? And that if every time you ask a question, you get an answer and you reply, I know, I guarantee the professor's not enjoying talking to you. And if he's not enjoying talking to you, you're going to get the minimum amount of help necessary. However, if you show that you are interested and that when you get an answer, you go, oh, thank you, now I know, well, the professor is going to enjoy talking to you and you will get the maximum amount of help possible. Well, I don't know about you, but I'd rather have the maximum amount of help than the minimum amount of help. This is also true in building relationships outside the classroom. So let me just sum up with the rule. If someone asks you a question and you know the answer, it's fine to say, I know. If you ask someone a question and they answer you, you cannot say, I know. You must say something like, oh, now I know, or I see, or oh, now I get it. But you cannot just simply answer, I know. If someone's explained something to you at the end, you cannot look at them and go, I know. You must now, oh, thank you, now I know, now I get it, now I see. Very, very simple, very easy to fix. And I hope now that you know about it, you will never have this problem again. Thank you very much, and let's move on.